to show you how to do a loop title animation. Something easy, something simple to do. Make sure you clicked on your net layer, and we are gonna use a circle for this. Nice. Make this as a mask. Gonna go to path. I'm gonna put it in mask 1. We're gonna reverse path. Make sure everything's on force alignment. Then we're gonna click on the stopwatch on first margin with Alt, and then we're gonna type in time asterisk 250. Nice. After that, make sure your layer is still clicked on, and we're gonna go to effects. Then we're gonna go to time, then echo, and we're gonna put 3 on 3 echoes, and we're gonna scrub the echo time per second just a little bit to make it a little even. And that is how you do a loop animation.